Hey there, candle lovers. Welcome back to my channel. And today we're going to talk about some common mistakes that can hinder the success in your candle business. Whether you're a beginner or the seasoned entrepreneur, it is important to avoid these pitfalls and maximize your chances of thriving in this candle industry. Let's go. Okay, we back. It's Major from Ada's Dream. But before we get started today's video, I need you guys to do me a favor. Please go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button so I can keep bringing you guys good content for the candle business and help you elevate your business. All right, let's get into it. Mistake number one, ignoring market research. It is crucial to understand your target audience, their preferences, and the current market trends. Without conducting your proper research, you might end up creating candles that don't appeal to your customers or missing out on potential opportunities. Mistake number two, neglecting quality control. In the candle business, quality is everything. Customers expect candles that burn evenly, have long-lasting scents, and are made from safe materials. Failing to prioritize quality control can lead to negative reviews, loss of customer trust, and ultimately a decline in sales. And none of us like to lose money. Mistake number three, poor branding and packaging. Your candle's appearance and overall branding play a significant role in attracting customers. Investing in professional packaging that reflects your brand identity. It will help with your candles to stand out on the shelves and create a lasting impression on potential buyers. Let's look at my own branding so you can see exactly what I'm talking about. Okay, now I'm gonna show you guys my packaging on why it's important to have quality packaging material. Okay, as you can see here, I got my custom candle box. I have my nice logo on the front with my logo name. And it matches with the color of the box and everything is consistent. And I have my QR code. If you scan this QR code, it brings up all my information and all my social media links. Once again, it's consistent with my packaging. And on the top flip side, I have the candle website where you can get all of my candles and it's spelled correctly and it's consistent with the packaging. You want this again. You want your logo name on the top or at least on the side of the box, somewhere consistent with your other material that you have here. And this is how you have quality material. It looks good and it represents your brand. Mistake number four, limited marketing efforts. Many candle makers underestimate the power of effective marketing. Having a well-designed website, utilizing social media platforms, collaborating with influencers, and participating in craft fairs or even local events can significantly boost your visibility and drive in sales. Once again, more money. Mistake number five, not adapting to customer feedback. It's essential to keep an open line of communication with your customers and listen to their feedback. Whether it's regarding fragrance choices, packaging, or pricing. Consider their suggestions and make the necessary adjustments to improve your products and customer satisfaction. Well, there you have it, folks. Avoiding these 5 mistakes can set you on the path to success in the candle business. Remember, it's all about understanding your market, prioritizing quality branding effectively, marketing strategically, and constantly evolving based on customer feedback. Okay, candle lovers, I appreciate you guys tuning in today, but don't forget before you leave, please hit that like and subscribe button to help me bring you more consistent content. Also, I have the ebook for you guys on how to start a successful candle business. just go down to the link below and get my ebook right now. And I promise you, it will help you make a substantial income with the information I provided you guys inside of the ebook. And not only did I give you the information in the ebook, I gave you my own personal links to where I get all of my candle supplies and equipment. So please guys, go get that right now at the bottom. Click that link and go get it for your candle business. I appreciate you guys for tuning in. Oh, I forgot. Don't forget candle safety to blow out your candles. You guys stay lit. See you next time.